At some point, someone watching this is going to think, this is all well and good, but I can't actually concentrate enough to read anything right now. I want to talk directly to that person because it's a more common state than people admit, and it's not a failure of willpower. Anxiety, depression, exhaustion, grief all do measurable things to concentration. This isn't you being lazy or undisciplined. It's a nervous system that currently has less bandwidth available for sustained attention, and treating that as a character flaw just adds shame to an already difficult situation. So here's what I'd actually suggest in order of how little they ask of you. Start smaller than a book, a single poem, Mary Oliver Again, or any short poem you already love. 12 to 20 lines is sometimes the entire ceiling of what's available to you right now, and that's a completely legitimate amount of reading. It still counts. Sylvia Plath, Kamala Das, Wordsworth, Shelley. I like all these poets, and they help me in these times. If even that feels like too much, try being read to instead of reading. An audiobook of something gentle, something you've heard before, playing quietly while you do something else with your hands. This isn't a lesser version of reading. It's a different entry point into the same practice. And for some people, it's the only door that's open on a hard week. Picture books and illustrated work are worth taking seriously here too. Not as a step down, but as a genuinely different cognitive load. More white space, more visual rest, less demand on the part of your brain that's currently struggling. And if none of that works today, that's allowed too. A connection to literature doesn't require daily contact. It can survive a week or several of nothing. The practice will still be there when concentration comes back, and it tends to come back gradually, not all at once. So don't wait for full capacity before trying the smallest version again. This isn't permanent. It's information about where you're right now, and the smallest possible version of reading is still reading. So today's video is not about what and how and when. It's simply about being kind to yourself, being gentle to yourself and to your habits.